RealWear Cloud provides powerful web services for device and application management of RealWear devices, enabling zero-touch deployment. Today, we'll go through the process of registering RealWear devices, creating device groups, and installing applications. We'll skip over and accept defaults for several options during this introductory video, demonstrating the process most commonly used from start to finish. On a web browser, log into RealWear Cloud by signing in with your Microsoft account or by entering your workspace name, email address, and password. First, we'll register a device to our workspace. Locate the serial number of your device, available on the box, on the inside rear of the device, under the battery, or in the About Device application. Click Devices. Hit the plus icon, then click Add New Device. Enter the serial number for your RealWear device. Name your device. We recommend using the serial number and a defining characteristic, such as the location of the device or the name of the user who will be using the device primarily. Use the description field to enter any additional information you wish to have visible about the device. Click Insert Device to add it to your workspace. Creating a device group. Even if you only have one device, we strongly recommend the use of device groups, as it makes the management of multiple devices easier and the ability to grow your deployments seamless. Click on Groups, then hit the plus icon to create a group. Name your group. We'll use the name Cuve Factory. You can also add a description here. When finished, click Add. Next, click Devices and select the devices you want to add to your new group. The devices within that group are now set up to be able to receive applications. Installing applications. Click Groups. Select your group. Click Applications, then click App Catalog. The App Catalog shows you optimized applications from RealWear certified partners. Find the application you wish to add and click Install. You can check which applications are loaded to your device by selecting Installed. Beyond the App Catalog, you can also add your own applications to RealWear devices. Select My Apps, click the plus icon. Name the application you are uploading. We recommend noting the app version number to manage updates in the future. Select General Availability or Beta Testing. Hit Upload to search your computer for the APK file you wish to upload to your workspace. When the app has finished uploading, select Publish. Your application will now show under the My Apps tab. My Apps shows all of the applications loaded to your cloud workspace. The devices in this group will now receive the assigned applications the next time they are connected to Wi-Fi. For any questions, visit realwear.com/support.